Okay, so noodling about math and different ways to add different sensory information for kids to learn what functions are. It suddenly hit me that something like a plugin like this, like GateKeeper, can teach kids what functions are. Not only can they see it, but they also can hear its effect. GateKeeper modulates volume. And so kids who love beats can use GateKeeper, and they're actually seeing a function. With GateKeeper turned off, you have this. Yeah, I just threw some Moody Blues at you. Live with it. And so now with GateKeeper turned on, we'll just play one note. But what's really interesting is now we go to this plane thing, and I'm going to add a point, and now I have two line segments with different slopes. And now let's see what happens. So a kid, when going on the up slope, hears the volume increase, and on the down slope, they hear the volume decrease. And if the slope is steeper, they can learn how different slopes affect things, not only in a visual standpoint, is what you're seeing here, but also they also get the sensory feedback of hearing it as well. So this type of plugin, tweaked a little bit, could be hugely beneficial to kids seeing it and hearing it, and with the additional sensory streams, more likely to understand what a function is, slopes of a line, that sort of thing. Now, since kids love beats, now if I play this sequence, that's a different function. Now, here's the other thing. If you add some other different modulation to it, what they call motion, that's actually still a function. It's just that you have this other variable that's in play that's adding to the complexity. So it's a function of two variables. If you have something called a round robin, where it cycles through 3 to a dozen samples with subtle variations to humanize it, that's now a function of 3 variables. So unless some of the motion stuff is random, it's just a multivariable function when you add additional layers of modulation. So that may be a little too complex for kids in middle school, but the simple things, sine waves and line segments, things of that nature, this could be a cool way of learning functions, learning slopes, that sort of things, because you can see it and you can hear it, and you have a level of interactivity when you play notes on a keyboard. Thank you.